It doesn't get any better than this, guys. 2017 Acura TLX, top of the line, 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's got the technology package, red on black leather. This thing is amazing. Serviced out, ready to go, brand new tires all the way around. That's gonna save you $788. It's got the touch to unlock, touch to start, sunroof, navigation, heated seats. This thing is immaculate. Matter of fact, I do not believe the rear has ever been used. Let's look on the inside. There's your sunroof on top, big navigation screen up on top, backup camera. It has the SXM radio, fully loaded. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the trading post. We can get you approved. Memory seats, blind spot technology, collision avoidance, you name it, it's got it. Oh yeah, and 70,000 actual miles. What are you waiting for? 828-464-0600, tradingpostcars.com to apply. You're going to love it here. You're going to love our 70,000 mile technology package, 3.5 V6 Acura TLX.